and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court hearing plea challenging abrogation of Article 370 for Day 4. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra recuses from hearing Umar Khalid's bail plea before the Apex Court. Petition seeking caste census in UP. High Court asks state government to respond. YouTuber Manish Kashyap to remain in Bihar Jail. Patna court rules. Bombay High Court allows Bollywood actor and a rape convict Shiney Ahuja to renew his passport. Now let's take a detailed look at the headlines. The Supreme Court heard the batch of pleas challenging the abrogation of Article 370 for the fourth day today. The hearing of the petitions began on August 2nd, and the matter has been heard regularly by the top court since then. The matter has been placed before a 5-judge constitution bench, comprising the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, and Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna, B.R. Gavai and Suryakant. Yesterday, senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing the National Conference Party MP Akbar Lone, posed several questions before the Apex Court. He asked, can a state be downgraded to a union territory by union on its own whim without consultation of the people? Can the Union of India terminate a relationship recognized in the Constitution of India? Can constitutional change happen without consultation with the people of Jammu and Kashmir, despite an express provision in that regard? These were some of the questions that Mr. Sibal posed before the Apex Court. He also made a reference to the Brexit exercise and how the referendum was done before the decision was taken by the government of the United Kingdom. The CJI in this regard said that our constitution does not envisage the concept of referendum, and there was no question of referendum within a constitution like ours. The hearing on Day 4 commenced with senior advocate Gopal Subramaniam arguing for the petitioners. Mr. Subramaniam highlighted that our constitution recognizes asymmetric federalism, the purpose of which is to take note of special conditions and needs of people. He presented portions of the debates that took place in the Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir and said that the people of J&K looked at constitutions of the world. They looked at the Indian Constitution and said that we need special provisions. The Government of India accepted this request and passed the Constitution Order of 1954. He argued that the government of Jammu and Kashmir was a product of bicameralism. The two constitutions, the Indian Constitution and the Constitution of J&K, spoke through each other by way of Article 370. This is where lies dual obligation. Mr. Subramaniam also threw light on the history of the Instrument of Accession, which was signed by Maharaja Hari Singh in 1947 to accede his princely state to the dominion of India, while submitting that the Constitution of India was made applicable with exceptions and modifications as part of the Constituent Assembly's decision. Justice Prashant Kumar Mishra of the Supreme Court recused from hearing the bail plea filed by Umar Khalid, accused in the 2020 Delhi riots case. Khalid was arrested in September 2020 and booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act for his role in the communal violence that broke out in Delhi in February 2020. He approached the Apex Court challenging an order of October 2022 of the Delhi High Court refusing to grant him bail. The bench of Justices A.S. Bopanna and Prashant Kumar Mishra of the Supreme Court were to hear his bail plea. But now, after Justice Mishra's recusal, the matter will be assigned to another bench of the Apex Court. A division bench of the Allahabad High Court comprising Justices M.C. Tripathi and Prashant Kumar sought the response of the Uttar Pradesh government on a plea seeking a caste-based census in the state. The petition has been filed by a social worker from Gorakhpur, praying that the caste-based census of other backward classes should be done so that the exact number of persons belonging to the category can be ascertained and the benefits can be extended to them accordingly. The petitioner claimed that the census or enumeration of persons belonging to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes has been done, and they are 15 and 7.5% respectively of the total population, and they are given the facilities accordingly. But the census for the persons belonging to the OBC category has not been done since decades. The High Court scheduled the matter for hearing after 4 weeks. YouTuber Manish Kashyap, who has been under arrest since March this year for spreading fake news and circulating videos claiming migrant workers belonging to Bihar being attacked in Tamil Nadu, will now remain in Bihar Central Jail in Bihar after a Patna court ruled the same. Advocate Shiv Nandan Bharti, representing Kashyap, said that since he has been granted bail in cases registered against him in Tamil Nadu, the judge said he will remain in Bihar's jail now. Whenever required, he will be produced before the court of Tamil Nadu through video conferencing. The Patna Civil Court took the decision when Kashyap was produced before it in connection with cases filed by the Economic Offences Unit of Bihar Police. A single-judge bench of the Bombay High Court comprising Justice Amit Borkar allowed Bollywood actor Shiney Ahuja to renew his passport for 10 years. Shiney was convicted in a rape case in 2011 for raping his domestic help and is currently out on bail for the purpose of renewal of his passport. He was sentenced to 7 years of rigorous imprisonment by the trial court in March 2011. He was arrested on June 4, 2009, after his domestic help lodged the complaint against him, alleging rape at the hands of Ahuja. Ahuja filed an appeal before the High Court against the trial court order that granted him bail in April 2011. The High Court also allowed Ahuja to travel abroad when and as required, stating that there is no violation of bail conditions. The actor has been complying with the bail conditions since 2011. Interestingly, the decision of the lower court was based upon circumstantial evidence, and the complainant had turned hostile, making it a fit case for Shiney to be granted bail. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.